Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Roblox items. First, you'll need to grasp the core process, which involves design, modeling, and uploading. We'll cover the essential tools and skills you'll need to get started, like basic 3D modeling software. This journey offers immense creative freedom and a chance to connect with millions of players. Get ready to transform your ideas into tangible virtual assets for the Roblox universe, sharing your unique vision with a global audience. Designing your Roblox item begins with powerful 3D modeling software like Blender, which is free, or Maya. Here, you'll sculpt your vision, paying close attention to detail. Next, craft vibrant textures and materials to bring your item to life, making it truly stand out. Remember to keep Roblox's technical specifications in mind, such as a polygon count typically under 10,000 for accessories, to ensure smooth performance and compatibility within the game. Once your design is complete, it's time to bring it into Roblox Studio. You'll import your finished 3D model and its accompanying textures. Then, carefully configure the item's properties, specifying its type, like a hat or a shoulder accessory, and setting its attachment points. Thoroughly test your creation within the studio environment to guarantee it functions perfectly and appears exactly as you envisioned, ready for players to enjoy. Finally, publish your item to the Roblox marketplace, allowing millions of players to discover and purchase your creation. Actively engage with the vibrant Roblox developer community. Their feedback is invaluable for refining your designs and skills. As your items gain popularity, you can earn Robux through sales and potentially even participate in the developer exchange program, converting your virtual earnings into real-world currency. It's a rewarding journey of creativity and connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.